Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update, the urgent update of the Dogecoin, and that is the warning news for all Dogecoin holders. Keep watch this video complete. And you know what? Today the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Vechain, a lot of cryptocurrencies price is negative. No one can understand that what should we do in this critical situation, my friends. But you can see here, first of all, if we talk about the price of the Dogecoin, so 0.2062128 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day, last 1 week changes over in the Dogecoin is negative. Only the latest last 1 hour changes is positive, my friends. My friends, let me show you the more updates about the Dogecoin. Let's see the price chart. Oh my god, as you can see here, from the 6th July, the price of the Dogecoin is going down. It's still now today, you can see on the 9th July, the Dogecoin price start pumping, my friends. Dogecoin price take a pump on today, my friends. So my friends, I think that is a really epic good news for all of you, my friends, because after a great fast, after 3 days continuously fast, the Dogecoin start jumping. So that's a really happiness news for me, my friends. Negative 10.86% the price falls down in the last 3 days, and 0.238869 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin, my friends. So my friends, I recommend for all of you at this time it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. It's time to hold, not to see. Anyways, what do you think about Dogecoin? What is your opinion? Just share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.